In this lecture, we are going to see about the tracker. So for that, first of all, let's go to the ground floor here. Let's double click here. And right now we are at the ground floor. So what I exactly want to show you is that if I go to this wall tool, and if I click here, you can see that we have this distance and angle that is changing as I'm rotating my mouse or I'm taking my mouse cursor away from this point or towards this point. Okay, so this is what exactly the tracker is. Okay, so now let's say that you want to set up the distance. So what you can do is you can just press the tab, and right now we are at the distance. Let's again press the tab again. So right now we are at the angle. Now let's again one more time press the tab, and there you have all the details related with the coordinates here. So you can change as per your requirement, as you can see here. Okay, so now let's say that I will set this distance to, let's say 4000 mm, that is 4 meter. And if I just simply select that one, you can clearly see that we have successfully modeled a wall of 4 meter here, as you can see here. So in this way you have to model the wall. Okay, and now that we are done with this thing, what exactly I want to show here is that if you go here and turn this off, okay, that is show height tracker, if you draw the wall, you won't be able to see that tracker. Okay, you need to be very careful. You need to make sure that this tracker is on. So let's press escape. Okay, from here let's press escape, or you can just go ahead and turn on this tracker, and now you just bring back this tracker. Or what you can do here is that, let's say you want to make some changes in the angle directly. In that case, you just simply need to enter the first letter of that one. So let's enter A. So you can see that I have just moved directly to angle. Let's enter here the angle. Let's say I will make this one 60. Okay, and then click on enter. So in this way you have to do these things directly. Okay, as well as you can go and use with do some modification with the help of tab as well.